The real-time real estate segment today being brought to you by rsrmoney.com, rsrmoney.com. What lower mortgage rates mean for your purchasing power. If you want to buy a home, it's important to know how mortgage rates impact what you can afford and how much you'll pay each month. Fortunately, rates for 30-year fixed-rate mortgages have come down significantly since the end of October and are currently under 7% according to Freddie Mac. And yes, of course, we do have a chart that shows that for you. And that's the Freddie Mac chart. They come out every Thursday. They don't tell us how many points are paid anymore or APR. They just tell us interest rates. And if you've got good eyes, you can see that as of last Thursday, looks like the rates were at 6.62 was the rates for the 30-year fixed rate loan. The recent trend is great news for buyers, as a recent article from Bankrate says, quote, the rate cool-off somewhat eases the housing affordability squeeze, unquote, according to Edward Seiler, AVP of Housing Economics and Executive Director of Research Institute for Housing America at the Mortgage Bankers Association. Holy cow, that guy's got to have a big business card. Quote, MBA expects that affordability conditions will continue to improve as mortgage rates decline, unquote. Here's a bit more context on how this could help with your plans to buy a home. Understanding the connection between mortgage rates and your monthly home payment is crucial for your plans to become a homeowner. Affordability is basically three different components. It's the price of the property, the payment, which is the interest rate, is driven by the interest rate, and wages. That's how they determine affordability. So we've got a chart that shows your ability to afford a home, how easy for me to say, how your ability to afford a home changes when mortgage rates shift. Imagine your budget allows for a monthly payment between $2,400 and $2,500. The green part of the chart, if you're watching us on ronsiegelradio.tv, any of our socials, the ABC News and Talk AM 1490 video feed, you are seeing this chart. And it gives you the green part, shows payments that are in the range or lower. So you can see that when interest rates are at 5.5%, $2,500 is a $440,000 house. When interest rates are at 7.25%, that same, it's $2,456 payment gets you a $360,000 house, 20% less buying power. So you can see even small changes in rates can affect your budget and the loan amount you can afford. That's why I tell you, strategy beats rate always. Get a higher house payment and have them help you with the interest rates. It'll help out a lot. If you haven't seen that, give us a call and we'll send you a report on how that works. When you're looking to buy a home, it's important to get guidance from a local real estate agent and a trusted lender. They can help you explore different mortgage options, understand what makes mortgage rates go up or down, and how those changes impact you. By looking at the numbers and the latest data together, then adjusting your strategy based on today's rates, you'll be better prepared and ready to buy a home. Bottom line, if you're looking to buy a home, you should know the recent downward trend in mortgage rates is good news for you. Give me a call at 800-306-1990, 800-306-1990. We will chat and get you in a strategy. I've said this many, many times. Our team does not ever turn down somebody for a mortgage. Never. Unless there's some sort of fraud issue going on. Then it's a good, quick boot. I've got a size 15. It goes right, where the good Lord split you. But the bottom line there is, other than that, everyone else goes on a game plan. And we want to put people together to see how they can get into the real estate market, get their home of their dreams. That's the real-time real estate segment brought to you by rsrmoney.com.